Hey, took her money, they don't want no combo. And I need me to mention no condo. And I stay with a dime like Rondo. Bitch, you know I'm a boy like Lonzo. I'ma smoke with the cookie and Fonto. And I need it right now like pronto. Some of my niggas came out the pot though. And the foreign too low for the pothole. Oh, you talking about bands?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Pat Elite, back with some heat. You heard? You feel me? If you got air raid, bro, I'm sorry. But I'm coming at y'all with the best jump shot after patch 11, after patch 12. I heard they patched 98 since patch 11. If y'all don't know, my PS4 had broke, bro. My PS4 broke the entire patch 11. And then when I came back, they dropped another patch. I'm like, word, say less. I hop in the park with 98. I'm shooting straight whites, and I'm big greens. I'm money team. Like, big green is the money team. Like, you feel me? But like, I'm getting whites. I'm like, bro, I'm not getting no more greens. I can't shoot with this shit. And I was at the patch 12. Once again, my P4 was done for patch 11, bro. The last game I played on patch 11 is when I played against G-Man. That's in the recent video if you didn't watch that shit already. But that was the last video. And I realized once again 98 was broke. And everyone knows, bro, I'm a loyal man. I'm a loyal young man. I was loyal to 98. I was loyal. 98 just cheated on me. That's all that happened, bro. It just cheated on me. I couldn't do it no more. I couldn't make no shots. As you can see right now in this gameplay, I'm shooting straight greens. I found a new one. I had to pick up D-Wade. I had no choice. 98 wasn't for me no more. It started acting funny, started moving funny. It just started moving funny out of nowhere. I don't know why, what I did to it, but it just started moving funny. Shit happens, bro. Trust me though, 98 is done for. Look, I'm shooting straight greens. I think out of all these clips, and by the way, this is just raw footage basically. Out of all these clips, I think I shot one white, and guess what happened? This shit went in. It went in. Like, bro, I'm telling you, it's D-Wade, bro. In this next clip too, you're gonna see I straight use D-Wade, and I'm gonna show y'all my badges too as well, with the legend badges and shit, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, straight greens, bro. I'm gonna have that clip later with the badges and the jump shot. If you think I'm capping, bro, it's in the next clip. Right after this game, it's in the next clip, bro. And this gameplay was late night. We was playing late night, like 6, 7 in the morning on some shit. You feel me? And I was just laying down straight green, and that's how you know it's green. I promise you though, this jump shot, just imagine switching your jump shot in April. That's the thing. They're patching jump shots in April, bro. Come on, Ronnie. You could do better than that, bro. Don't worry, bro. Everything in June will be better, bro. We will all be better. But once again, D-Wade, don't cheat on though. D-Wade is not gonna cheat on y'all. I promise you. Just make sure, another thing, I almost forgot. Turn off your bar. What are you shooting with a shot meter in April for? Turn off the bar. Turn it off. Thank you, bro. Bro, I know you still got that shit on, bro. You're a bot, bro. Keep shooting with that bar, bro. Don't blame me while you missing. Turn off the bar, bro. Shit. You see, this team, they almost had us. This was a good game. They actually almost had us. This was a comp game, bro. They almost had us, bro. But anyway, this next clip about to show y'all the badges. I already recorded it. You feel me? These are legend badges, by the way, yo. And the jump shots there. The clip about to play right now, though. And right now, I'm about to show y'all my jump shot right now. If y'all think I'm capping, bro. 98 is patched, bro. 98 is done for. I'm sorry, it's done for, bro. This shit is forever done for. I promise you. Unless it's a custom, maybe you have a chance. I'm not loyal to 98 no more. Look at what I got. I got D-Wade. I'm not using 98 no more. The jump shots and the clips I was using was straight D-Wade, bro. No custom, none of that. I swear to God, look at this shit. No custom. Just like I used to just use jump shot 98, it's straight D-Wade. Straight this jump shot. Hall of Fame quick draw, bro. Trust me. I am telling you, bro. And I might as well just show y'all my badges too. Give y'all a little update on the badges and shit. Ever since I hit legend. But 98 is done. Do not use 98. I'm telling you. If you're gonna use a regular shot, no custom, D-Wade. It's a bigger and better bro. D-Wade is 98's big brother, bro. Put it like that. It's a better and bigger version of 98, bro. It's his big brother. I'm telling you, trust me. Because I was very loyal to 98. I was loyal. But as you can see right now, this is my shooting badge from now on, bro. That's what I run on tools. Don't ask me why I use flexible release in Hall of Fame. Just know I green every shot. You feel me? These are my playmaking badges as well. I don't really get ankle breakers like that because I have sharp takeover. You want to get ankle breakers, you better put that playmaking takeover, bro. I'm telling you, D-Wade is the best jump shot in this game, bro. Hands down, bro. If it's not, I gotta be MYPTAM, G. I'm telling you. But yeah, these badges right here, I just showed y'all though. The thing about it, I'm a legend. I get 10 extra badges, bro. I'm only gonna tell y'all a preference for shooting. Let me just go back to shooting real quick. A preference from shooting, take off flexible release, take off clutch shooter. I guess you could leave Deadeye on and put corner specials like on bronze or silver with difficult shots Hall of Fame. And you be good, bro. With this build, playmaking shot creator, bro. But yeah, bro, D-Wade is the greatest. D-Wade is the 98 big brother, bro. Trust me. Simple. As you can see right now, you got a bot that was just dancing on my screen. Look at him. He's still dancing. He still didn't stop dancing, bro. But as y'all just seen, for real, y'all just seen my badges. Once again, I am a legend, bro. I get 10 extra badges each category, bro. And don't ask why I got flexible release, bro. But yeah, bro. 98 cheated on me, bro. That goes to show you, bro. You can be loyal, but the other person not gonna be loyal, bro. That's simple. Hopefully D-Wade is loyal to me, bro. Please, D-Wade, don't let me down. As you can see right there, though, Multi was taking layups and alley-oop dunks. And so, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, it was straight green lights. The straight greens. I'm just still upset for the simple fact, 98, man. How can you do this to us, bro? Now you gotta make a custom and struggle with customs. I never used a custom in this game yet. I think I did one time, matter of fact. It was like a custom of Rudy Gay. But I'm telling you, D-Wade is it, bro. And no, I'm not going back to Rudy Gay. Rudy Gay too slow. Just look at D-Wade, man. I'm telling you. Just imagine changing a jump shot in April, though. That's really crazy, Ronnie. At least he coming out with patches at the same time, bro. He coming out with patches. You gotta respect that. Ronald? He's coming out with patches. He's up there in the game. But is he up there in really Park though? I don't know. Supposedly he be up there in CPU, defense, and IQ. I don't know about that. In my team section, obviously they love my team. My team be coming broke too. They got Shaq shooting threes. Man. Type 1 in the comments if you play my team, bro. Type 2 if you still play Park. Type 3 if you just a bot, bro. And type 4 if you got drip. I better not see no 4s neither. Y'all got no drip, bro. Stop it. I got the #1 drip in 2K and IRL, and that's facts, yo. But you see my greens. Green team is the money team. Simple. You feel me? If you haven't already, man, I ain't say this early on in the video. Like the video, bro. Like the video if you got drip. Once again, like the video if you got drip. You feel me? Stay safe, stay dangerous. Even though we're probably nowhere near this game footage being over with. But just like the video, bro. And subscribe if you're new. Turn post notifications too, bro. The gameplay's still not over with. I'm still cooking him. He's still getting fried, bro. Look at that. Another green. Game. I just can't be stopped, bro. But as y'all seen throughout the whole video, if you made it to the end, D-Wade is the net, bro. D-Wade is next, bro. D-Wade is next. Once again, bro. D-Wade, you better be loyal, D-Wade, please, bro. I'm not changing my jump shot anymore, bro. Not in May, not in June, not in July, not in August, not in September. Even though that's when the 2K21 drops. Hopefully that game is good next gen too. PS5 game, you know the vibes. But once again, man, if you mess with the video, drop a like, share, subscribe if you're new. I feel like some of y'all just watch the video and forget to subscribe, bro. Subscribe, B. And turn on post notifications, man. I'm out, bro. Peace.
Bitch, we got choppers. We kicking works like soccer. I beat the pussy up like I'm a boxer. We eating noodles, no lobster. No kill. We proper, you know the gang gon' prosper. You niggas acting Oscars, how you put rats on rosters? In my town, I'm jiggy.